Hey, what's going on guys? It's your boy Gunner here, and today I'm going to show you how to go live on kick.com. So first what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have our Kick account created. As you can see, I'm already signed in. What you want to do is you just want to go to create a dashboard, and here you might get this message just saying to update and make sure to set your stream info before going live on OBS. We'll get to that. Alright, got it. Next, what you want to do is you're going to want to go over to settings and click on stream key. But basically, we're going to need to use this information. So next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to OBS. All right, we're in OBS. What you want to do is you want to click on settings. And then you want to click on stream. This might be set to Twitch probably by default as you might have it, but you want to click custom. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click this server over here, and what we're going to want to do is go back to Kick for a second. Let's do that. And over here you can copy the stream URL. We're going to copy that, copy the clipboard, and again go back to settings, stream, and then custom. And then what you're going to want to do is just paste the URL, the server URL in here. Okay, click apply. And then same thing, what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to copy the stream key, go into OBS settings again, paste in the stream key, click apply, and there you go. So we got our OBS set to stream on Kick. Now all we got to do left is set up our stream info, and then we can be ready to go live. So to change your stream info, what you want to do is just click edit stream info, and then you can set this to whatever. So we'll say test stream for fun. We could do just chatting and English, and you can also set it to 18 plus if you want. We'll just leave that and click save, and then all that's left to do is to go live on OBS. So you click start streaming, and we should be live on Kick, and we should be live. And as you can see, it's showing up over here. And if we go to my Kick link here, make sure to follow if you're not already. And you can see I'm live in the flesh. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, if it was helpful, please make sure to leave a like. And I'll see y'all in the next one.